everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today I am getting started tearing out my cool season borders and replacing them for the warm season. I'm so excited, I simply cannot wait another second. So let me show you the transformation of this small foundation bed here at my back patio. So here are the plants I've selected to put in. I've decided I'm going to convert this to more perennials than annuals. So I've got early jalapeno. I have Liatris scariosa. This is like a monarch magnet. I've got pineapple sage. Some Treasure Island sweet potatoes that are going to get trained to go over the arch. I have some planted on the other side as well. And then a couple of dahlias from last year. And I think what I'm gonna see with this year is if the dahlias will just be perennial in the ground in this bed. Because like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and convert this to being more perennial because I'm adding so much annual space next door. So I'm just gonna give this bed a good rake over to kind of grate it, and then I'll get busy planting. Okay, you can see I have put a really sturdy cage for those 3 dahlias, and then the Liatris scariosa. I've got 2 trial Echinaceas. This variety is Artesian Yellow Ombre. Then I've got early jalapeno planted along the edge. Of course, I've got Treasure Island sweet potatoes planted right at the cattle fence to be able to train up. And I have a lot of space along the edge that I've got to decide what to do. I think I might do a direct seeding, but the clouds have burned off, the sun is coming out, it's becoming really, really hot. I can come back to this project tonight when it's cooler. I will be able to do whatever seeding I want. I will get the bed mulched and then watered in. But this is a reminder to work smart, not hard. And you know, if you garden in the South, like where it's near 100 degrees every day, take advantage of the mornings and the evenings and don't torture yourself when the sun is really shining bright. All right, I'll catch up with you when the temperatures cool down. All right, we've got hopefully a thunderstorm coming. The temperatures drop dramatically. I am gonna quickly get this bed mulched. Fingers crossed we will get some water from the sky. Covertly, off camera, I did plant a few more things. I did some zucchini kind of in between, I direct seeded them in between the peppers, and then I did an edge of onions. The bulbs were not ideal. They're from the winter that I lost and I just found them. We'll see if they grow. I mean, really it's just my kind of attempt to try and maintain this as a bed that does not have a ton of voles traveling through it. And hopefully the onions will grow, but even if they don't, keeping my fingers crossed that the smelly bulbs that I planted will at least do their job just like the garlic had done all winter. So now I am gonna get a light layer of triple shred hardwood out over this entire bed, and this one will be finished. Well, that storm just blew right past. The sun is about to come out again and the temperature rises significantly. But I did get this bed nicely mulched. I need to come around with my electric mower just to clean up this edge. And ooh, there's thunder. Maybe it will rain and I won't have to turn a sprinkler on. But I hope that you'll be inspired by this really simple foodscaping concept. You know, this is not a big bed and it's just a nice combination of flowering plants that will benefit pollinators and food crops that I'll be able to harvest to enjoy inside. Well, be sure to subscribe to the Bree the Plant Lady YouTube channel for more practical gardening advice and how-to lessons I will be taking on all of the beds here in my backyard in the coming days. I cannot wait to show you the transformation from spring to summer. Thanks so much for watching, everybody.